Babe, his.
This one.
Isan. Nah. I'm going to disturb you. Let's go. Guys, we are going to my husband's mother's house to go and eat dinner. Dinner with Obi before Obi will leave. He's going back to his base. I am driving him away from this house. He's going back to his work area. If you want to buy car, this is 500 naira car. 5,000 euro car. This is how it is. The interiors is very, very beautiful, and everything. You can see the up and down the car. You can see how they are beautiful. You can buy it for 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira. Just look at the car. Everything is automatic. Automatic car.
Look.
The car is going to open by he or herself. Look at it. Then close automatic. So you can see that you can buy this car for 500 naira. Okay, 500 naira car. There is no need for you to be talking. Okay, look at how it's beautiful. 500 naira car. So that is the manager of the car. The seller. Are you going to sell the car for 500 naira?
Go now.
Wait. Babe, are you going to sell the car for 500 naira?
It's not mine. You have just to steal.
In Europe, we do not accept
currency, euro or dollar.
Okay,
finish the story.
It's because that is yours. If it is me, you will say that you want to pay me with naira. Euro.
L'ho portata a giocare a bowling, adesso fa male dappertutto.
My husband's mother, she's preparing stew and pasta. She invited us to come and eat in our house, eat dinner before Obi will go back to his trip, to his work. This is pasta, fresh pasta. She's boiling it with water and salt. This is stew that she made herself with grounded meat, carrots, celery, blah blah blah. Yes, she put butter. I do not know what she's going to do with the butter. Okay, let's see. We are here for a dinner because Obi is going back to his base of work. Why you dey shock? Why you dey shock for my matter? Obi is so shocked about me. All right, this is our table. We are going to eat. Ok. Perché per forza ognuno tradizione è diverso, no?
No, sì, invece se puoi usarlo per fare il formaggio.
Abbiamo frigo?
Non serve il frigo per fare il formaggio. Il formaggio l'hanno inventato proprio per quello.
Con che cosa li mangiamo il formaggio?